Alright, so electric water heater, 30 gal. The owner wanted to move the water heaters for these units. So currently the water heater is right there inside, but he wanted to reroute water lines and put the water heaters right here. I installed these hole drive boxes yesterday. Real pain in the neck, dude. Not easy. But I'm gonna crawl under there here in a second. I'm gonna run PEX to tie in the hot and cold here, and then get started on the second one over there. Trying to make it like a work of art. So I'm using the Unistrut to brace this on both sides, and I'm also using the Unistrut to brace the copper coming out of the wall here. And then I believe I'm gonna press these. I'm gonna press them straight at me right here. I got these 24-inch flex hoses. I'll keep them nice and clean. And I might lower this a little bit just so there's no issues with clearance. We're trying to screw these on. Fastened the box to the wall, both sides. 2.5 gallon expansion tank, 50 psi. So you got the cold coming in, get the expansion tank off the cold, and you got the hot going out, and then TMP 6 inches off the ground. Technically this is supposed to be sticking out right here with a 90 going down, but this is such a work of art, and these things took so long to figure out how to install that I'm not touching it. I'm leaving it. So that's the first one. I haven't even piped it in yet, so next step is to go under, and then I'm going to use these, and then I'm going to do PEX to the cold coming in and the hot. So we are going to run a water line from this copper 3/4 line all the way to that wall. Basically that's where the copper is stubbing into this crawl space. That's where the water heater is. So the two lines that I cut, those were going up and stubbing into the kitchen area above this unit, or in the unit above. So I canceled those out. That's the cold. And then this is the hot. And and decided to angle this down because of this. And we got some electrical right here. So I'm gonna take the Uponor, run it along these joists, and then tie it in down there. All right, so there's the water, cold water coming in, and it comes all the way to right here. And then you got the hot water going out, and it goes all the way down to right there. Strapped it nice and good like, and that's it for today.